Hi. Let's see how to do color grading in a video using Moody LUTs in Premiere Pro CC. I am going to use this footage that I shot in Rec 709 using Sony a7 III. So, to start we have to go to the Lumetric Color panel. Under Lumetri Color go to the Creative tab and click on the option Look. Browse the LUT you want to use. Now, the footage was underexposed, and to fix that we have to make some adjustments. For that, let's head over to the Basic Correction section. And let's just increase the exposure first. Looks good, but I want to make it more saturated. So, I am going to increase the saturation level. Now, let's tweak some other settings and see what we get. It also depends on your personal preference. How much contrast or highlights you want. I think that's all. The footage looks better than before. That's all for this video. Hit the like button if you like this tutorial. Let me know in the comment section if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in another video.